Hello guys, welcome to Creativity Area. Today we are going to do origami. So let's get started. So today we are going to do origami camera. Now again flip it up and you have to do it for a third time. After doing this like 3 times, you would have a shape like this. Now you have to flip it up and take one of these triangles and open it like this and then press it. It should look like this and do it for the opposite side. Now I will show the last part again because it is little bit complicated. I have to open all this and then flip it. Open this 2 flaps only fully, then pinch here like that and fold it like this. Flip it and bring that to the front and then pinch it, click. Let's see how it works. I have to hold from these 2 sides and if you pinch here like this, it will open and again you have to do like this and that is how you make origami camera. I hope you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe to Creativity Area and click the bell button and share the video. Thank you guys for watching and let's see you on another video.